Right. You have to find the square root of 32 to the first decimal place by using the approximation method. When you use the approximation method, first you check this 32 lies between which two perfect square numbers. You know the perfect square numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, like that numbers, no? So 32 lies between 25 and 36. They are the two square numbers either side of 32. That means square root of 32 should be lies between square root of 25, that means 5, and square root of 36, that means 6. So square root of 32 should be lies between 5 and 6. The mid value of 5 and 6 should be 5.5. Then also you can check what is the gap between 25 and 32. The gap is 7. And also you can check the gap between 32 and 36. It is 4. So 32 is very close to 36 than 25. 32 is closer to 36 than 25. So square root of 32 should be closer to 6. The mid value is 5.5, no? So square root of 32 should be lies between 5.5 and 6. That means sometimes can be 5.6, 5.7, 5.8, 5.9, sometimes maybe 5.5. Right? Then also you check this gap is 7. This gap is 4. Now you can check, okay? You can decide, you can determine. Normally 5.7, you can guess, okay? If you want, you can guess 5.5. If it is not successful, you can check 5.6, right? I will check 5.7. Then I will find 5.7 square. That means 5.7 multiply 5.7. What is the value? 7 times 7, 49, remaining 4. 7 times 5, 35. 35 plus 4, 39. 5 times 7, 35, remaining 3. 5 times 5, 25, plus 3, 28. Add 9. 9 plus 5, 4, 14. 4 remaining 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 8, 12, remaining 1. 1 plus 2, 3. Then also there are two decimal places we have to keep. So I got the answer 32.49. 32.49 mean this value is greater than 32, no? Then also you have to check again which value. Less value of 32.49. That means for 5.6 you can check 5.6. Then I will check 5.6 square of 5.6. 6 times 6, 36, remaining 3. 6 times 5, 30. 30 plus 3, 33. 5 times 6, 30. 0 remaining 3. 5 times 5, 25. 25 plus 3, 28. 6, 3. 3 plus 8, 11, remaining 1. 1 plus 2, 3. Also, two decimal places you have to keep. Then I got the answer 31.36. Earlier I got 32.49. I want to get 32. This value is greater than 32. This value is less than 32. So you have to get greater value and less value of 32. Right, now I got them. Right, then you can check what are the gaps. The gap between 32.49 and 32 and the gap between 32 and 31.36. We can check 32.49 and 32. 32 means 32.00. You have to subtract 940. The gap between 32.49 and 32 is 0.49, right? Also, I'll be right here 0.49. It is the gap between this value and 32. Also, we have to find the gap between 32 and 31.36. 32 means 32.00. 31.36. You can subtract. Keep the decimal point. You can take 1 here. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 3, 6. Then here should be 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. So what is the gap between 32 and this value? 0.64. Now you check which gap is very close to 32. 0.49 or 0.64. 0.49 is closer, no? Closer than 0.64. So 32.49 is very close to 32 than this value. That means this one square root is 5.7. So what is the approximation value to the first decimal place of square root 32? It should be 5.7. So your answer should be 32 square root approximation value is 5.7, right? It is the answer for this question.